Did you know some Lego sets are worth more than gold by weight? Yep, you heard that right. From Star Wars ships to retired creator sets, people are making serious money flipping these little bricks. In this video, I'll break down the 5 major points of Lego reselling as a business. So if you want to turn your passion for Lego into profit, stick around. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the SV Brickshop channel so you never miss tips on building your own side hustle. Point 1. Understanding the market. First things first, you need to know the market. Not every Lego set goes up in value, but certain themes like Star Wars, Harry Potter, and exclusive sets often skyrocket after retirement. Do your research, watch retirement lists, and study trends. And if you're already tracking a favorite theme, drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what sets you're keeping an eye on. Point 2. Sourcing inventory. The money is made when you buy, not just when you sell. Clearance racks, Lego VIP deals, thrift shops, garage sales, and bulk online lots can all be gold mines. If you've ever scored a crazy Lego deal, tell us about it in the comments. I guarantee other viewers will get inspired. Point 3. Storage and condition. Collectors care about condition. Sealed sets in pristine boxes bring the highest returns, but even used sets can sell if they're clean and complete. That means you need good storage, organized bins, climate control if possible, and careful labeling. Treat your Lego like an investment portfolio. Protect your bricks, protect your profit. Point 4. Selling platforms and strategy. Where you sell makes all the difference. eBay has the biggest reach, Bricklink attracts hardcore fans, Amazon works great for sealed sets if you're approved, and local sales help you move bulk with no fees. Pro resellers mix platforms depending on the set. If you want to learn more about the benefits of which platform to use, then watch my How to Become a Lego Reseller series on my YouTube channel. Let me know by smashing that like button or drop a comment down below. It helps me know you're interested, and the YouTube algorithm. Point 5. Patience and timing. Lego reselling isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about timing. The real money comes when a set retires, demand grows, and supply disappears. That can take months, sometimes years. But if you're patient, the profits can be massive. Think of it as long-term investing, only with bricks instead of stocks. So there you have it, the 5 major points of Lego reselling. Knowing the market, sourcing smart, protecting condition, selling on the right platforms, and being patient. If you got value from this video, make sure to like it, subscribe for more Lego business tips, and comment below with the set you'd most like to invest in. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.